I will discuss to you how to cope up with mental health issues like depression and anxiety and suicide. First, what is the mental health issues? Mental health issues are disorders that affect your mood and thinking and behaviors. So, let's talk about how to cope up with mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Depression causes feelings of sadness, loneliness, and reduces energy. Although the two combinations are different, you can have both at the same time. They are strategies that you can take care of your mental health. First is to get regular exercise. Just 30 minutes of walking every day can boost your mood and improve your health. Second is to eat healthy, make a regular meals and stay hydrated. Third is to make sleep properly because it can help improve cognitive functions, maintain healthy weight, strengthen the immune system, and promote emotional well-being. Fourth is to try a relaxing activity like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, reading, and etc. Fifth is to set goals and properties because goals will be easier to achieve if they are aligned with volume that are important to you. 6. To practice gratitude, you should expect gratitude by doing a kindness or you might see situation you can play in forward. 7 is to focus on positivity. For example, surround yourself in positive people. Be grateful. Focus on the good things. Use hormone and etc. Last or 8 is to stay connected to God by praying, telling your concerns, ask for what you need to even what you want. Last is suicide. Coping out which mental health issues like suicide can be averted and you can begin to feel better within time and health. So first thing you think you should reach out to personal help right away. You can feel so much better than you do right now and you need support to keep yourself